Hello friends, in this video we are going to see numerical from YouTube manometer. So as we can see in the question, a closed tank contains 0.5 meter thick layer of mercury. Specific gravity is given 13.6 at the bottom. A 2.0 meter thick layer of water lies above the mercury layer, and a 3.0 meter thick layer of oil, specific gravity 0.6, lies above the water layer. The space above the oil layer contains air under pressure. The gauge pressure at the bottom of the tank is 196.2 kilopascal. Density of the water is given 1000 kg per meter cube, and the acceleration due to gravity is 9.81 meter per second square. Question is, find the value of pressure in the air space. Correct? So the value of the air space, that is gauge pressure, you have to find. So very important thing, whenever it is mentioned that find the pressure in this subject fluid mechanics, you have to find always gauge pressure, unless and until it is not stated that you have to find the absolute pressure. Okay. Anyway, it is mentioned here in this question that you have to find the gauge pressure, because the space above the oil layer contains air under pressure. Correct? So the gauge pressure, it is mentioned here at the bottom of the tank is this much. Find the value of the pressure in the air space, that is gauge pressure only. Okay. So first of all, we draw the diagram, because we want to understand the problem perfectly. So we'll draw a diagram here. So let us take a closed tank. Let us take a closed tank here like this. Okay, let us take a closed tank. Okay. After that, we will be having a closed tank contains 0.5 meter thick layer of mercury, right? So 0.5 thickness will take layer of mercury. So we'll take here 0.5. Okay, so this is for mercury. And then a 2.0 meter thick layer of water. So above mercury we are having water. We'll take water also. So this will be for your water. And a 3 meter thick layer of oil. One more layer we have to make, that is for the oil. Okay, now we have to just write down the detail here. So the first one is your mercury Hg S equal to 13.6. It is given in the question. Second one is water. Water S is how much? 1000. Our density is 1000. Density is given. I will write directly density. Water density is given. Here it is given. You can see in the question, 1000 kg per meter cube. And then above this we are having oil S equal to 0.6. And then we are having air. We have to find this pressure of air. Correct? We have to find the gauge pressure. This is the question. And thickness is given 0.5 meter. This one. This is 2.0 meter. And this one 3.0 meter. Okay. And one more important information given, G value. 9.81 meter per second square. Right? So G is given as 9.81 meter per second square. Then what we can do, already it is given the gauge pressure in the question. At the bottom of the tank is 196.2 kilopascal. So we keep on calculating the gauge pressure from the top. I told you if you go down it is positive and going up is negative. So starting from P air. Yeah, starting from P air, if you keep calculating the pressure in the downward direction, keep adding the pressure and then equate with the 196.2. You can find the value of P air, right? So I'll write the equation. Pressure at the bottom. Pressure at bottom equal to pressure of air, that is gauge pressure G, plus rho GH 600 into G 9.81 given into H 3. This is for the oil. Then again water is there. So rho into G 9.81 into H. How much is the H value here? H value is 2 meter. 2 plus last one, density of mercury 13,600 G into H. What is H value? 0.5. One equation is sufficient, correct? Now what is given here? Pressure at the bottom, it is given data 196.2 into 10 to the power of 3. I will write in Pascal, equal to P air gauge. This we have to find. Plus, what is the value of the remaining term? 103, if you calculate, 986 Newton per meter square. Okay. So the question is find the value of P air. So if you calculate from this equation, you will be getting P air is equal to, that is gauge, equal to 92.214 kilonewton per meter square. That is the answer. Okay. Which option is correct? Option A. Option A is correct. Okay. First one. Okay. Thank you.